What's up, Lens Gang?
Are your blocking pads slipping in the edger?
Are you tired of off-axis failures and breakage?
We're science doctors, and we've done extensive research to bring you helpful tips to prevent blocking pad slippage.
We've tried blue pads, red pads. What can we do, doctor?
Try the green ones.
No.
If you've gone through all the pad colors and none of them are working, the next best thing, hairspray.
Just till it sizzles. Good luck slipping off that lens.
There has to be a better way.
The Padlock from Quantum Innovations. It's the better way to fix edging pad slippage. The Padlock is engineered to provide superior torque resistance during lens edging without damaging your anti-reflective coatings. In 30 seconds, the lens surface is transformed, so edging pads attach securely and remain on axis in the edger, without any additional steps or supplementary adhesive. Once edging is complete, Fortify Lens Solution fully restores the superhydrophobic layer. Designed for ultimate ease of use, the Padlock enables the operator to achieve reliable and accurate performance with the push of a button. Maximize your success and efficiency with Padlock. Your lenses on axis, every time.